Number 11. A man raises a box of 50 kg to a height of 2 meter in 2 minutes. Another man raises the same box of the same height in 5 minutes. Compare the work done and the power. See here, time difference is given. Okay, work done by A and work done by B, because it is taking 2 minutes, because it is taking a height of 2 meter and the mass is same, so the work done will be the same. So work done in raising 50 kg to the height of 2 meter against the force of gravity is, what will be it? W is equal to mgh. So work done by A will be equal to mgh. Since we know that mass is 50, g is 10, height is how much height? Of 2 meter. I'm writing only 2. Work done by B is equal to again mgh, same mass, same gravity, same height. So work done by A, work done by B will be equal to 50 into 10 into 2 by 50 into 10 into 2. All will get cancelled out, so 1 by 1, that is equal to 1 is to 1. Now the power is equal to work done of A by time of A, power of A, power of B is equal to work done of B by time of B. Okay, so power A by power B is equal to how much? It will be 1 by time taken by A was 2 minutes, means 120 seconds. Time taken by B was how much? 5 minutes, means 5 into 60, that is 300 seconds. So the time is 300 seconds. Okay, so it will come 300 by 120. Okay, 0 gets cancelled out. How much it will come? 3 10 3 4 2 2 2 5, that is 5 by 2, or you can write 5 is to 2. Okay. Number 12. A pump is used to lift 500 kg of water from a depth of 80 meter in 10 seconds. Calculate the work done by the pump, the power at which the pump works, and third, the power rating of the pump if its efficiency is 40%. Take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. So work done raising 500 kg of mass to a height of 80 meter against the force of gravity. Okay, mass is given 500 kg, G is given 10 meter per second square, height is given how much? 80 meter, time is given 10 seconds. Okay, so the work done will be, what will be the work done? Similar, work done is equal to mgh. So 500 into 10 into 80, that is 5 8 is 40, 1 2 3, means 1 2 3 40,000. So it will come 40,000 joule, or you can write it in this way also, 4 into 10 to the power 4 joule. Let me see once. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 and 8 5 40, one more 0 it will come, so it will be 5. Okay, number 2, the power. So power is equal to work done by time. So what is the work done? 4 into 10 to the power 5 by time is 10 seconds. See, so it will be 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, 1 goes out, so 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 watt. Okay, number 3, the efficiency. The symbol is efficiency of this symbol. So efficiency is given 40%. So efficiency is equal to output power by input power. Okay, so what is the output power? Output power is this much, 40, 1, 2, 3. Input power we have to find. What is, see the question, the power rating of the pump, that is the input power. If the efficiency is given 40%, okay, 40%. So 40, 1, 2, 3, 4 by this, it will come 40 by 10, 100, that is 0.4. So it will be 0.4, that will be the input power. Okay, so it will come 400,100,123, okay, watt. So you can write 1, 2, 3, it is given, so 100 kilowatt you can write, or 1 megawatt you can write, or 1 megawatt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, not 1 megawatt, this is the answer. 0.1 megawatt you can write. Okay. Number 13, an ox can apply a maximum force of 1000 Newton. It is taking part in the cart race and is able to pull the cart at a constant speed of 30 meters per second while making its best effort. Calculate the power developed by the ox. Given. Okay, what is given? Force is given 1000 Newton. Okay. Velocity is given 30 meters per second. Okay. So one more formula we have already read, that power is equal to force into velocity. Speed by time. Okay, distance by time. See, this is distance by time. Okay, so instead, see, you can write distance by time. So F into S is work done, so work done by time, same thing. So the power will be equal to, power is equal to 1000 into 30, so it will come 30000 watt. So you can write 30 kilowatt. Over. Number 14, see here only, we should save pages, huh? We should not waste unnecessarily, we should not waste. See, I'm also using the used pages. 14, if the power of a motor is 40 kilowatt, power of the motor is 40 kilowatt, at what speed can it raise a load of 20,000 Newton? See, the force is given 20,000 Newton and it's simply asking the velocity. So velocity will be equal to power by force. So 40 into 1000 by 20, 1, 2, 3, it will come, see, 2 meter per second. This is the first exercise, exercise 2a. All the numericals I have done. If you like it, then please like my video, share it and subscribe it, and help me in my journey that I've just started. Soon I will be uploading the second part, okay, the numericals of exercise 2b. Thank you.